In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can promote products from Clickbank related to art entertainment. So I can promote these affiliate links on Pinterest. So there's multiple ways to promote these types of products. All right, you can use paid ads, which is some people might say like if you use paid ads, you can start making money with affiliate marketing much faster, which is true. But if you don't have the right strategy, you can lose money with paid ads. But another way is to actually start using free traffic to promote your product. So you can use Pinterest, and it's really important to learn that while you're building your profile, your account should hover around this product. Let's say this product about. Make sure you actually click on that product you're trying to promote. And really understand what that product is about. What's the product, what you're promoting basically, and then just share content about related to that product. You can get content from TikTok. Make sure if you get content from other platforms, Instagram, social media, make sure you give credit in the description when you click on save, shared here. Click on this on the video on if you create a board and then you click on here on this plus and you click on pin, and now we can create a post. You can share an image or a video, but make sure you don't paste your affiliate link right over here, because there's a higher chance Pinterest will deactivate your account. Make sure you use Google Sites, and here you create a site about that affiliate link, and then you paste your affiliate link there. For this instance, I created this website, and here I have a product I'm promoting, and I just added this on this image. If someone clicks on this image, they'll be directed to my affiliate link, which is here. And if you're curious, if you want to learn how to create a website using Google Sites, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. And actually, it's pretty basic. You just click on here on this plus, and then you can create a page. You can enter site name. You can enter here something that you want. You can upload an image. You can here add a content. Here you can add an image. You can move this image. It's really easy to customize and to create a website on with Google Sites. But I'll leave a link in the description of this video tutorial on how to use Google Sites. And then you can people click on that link, and then they'll be directed to this Google site, and they can click on on that website, on our website, and there you can find the affiliate link. Now make sure, as I said, if you share social videos from others people, make sure you give credit, and you can create your own videos as well, your own images with Pinterest, with Canva, and you can create a lot of boards. If you decide to share images, you can use Canva, and it's really easy with Canva. And here you click on Canva, click on create, and then here you write Pinterest, and here you have a bunch of options: Pinterest, static ad, carousel, video, idea pin. You can click on idea pin. You can create a lot of images and then share them on your. You can also add. Forgot to add to actually mention. You can also add other people pins. Find some ideas for this board. All right, and you can add all these ideas that you see right here to your. You can add all these ideas here to your board, other people ideas, and then you can add your own as well, just so you can build. So just so you can grow your board, you can use other people ideas, and then once your board will grow, then you can add some of your ideas to your board. So that's definitely one way. That's one way you can do it. And as you can see here now, I can add other people board, so I can grow my board. right? And it's really profitable. There's a lot of people building this account is just sharing their affiliate link by sharing content related to their affiliate link. And as you can see, if I click on this, it's actually affiliate link. Look, download free ebook. This is a affiliate link from Clickbank. Yeah, that's right. Thought it's actually this product. Not this one. Is sorry. Is this one? This one here. And as you can see, they even grew a Instagram page, which is pretty cool. And that's something you can do as well. You just have to make sure you post a lot of videos. They have 600 videos posted, so it's gonna take time. Make sure you are consistent. Make sure you are consistent if you want to see any results. It's not easy. A lot of people are making this out like, oh, it's so easy, you can start making money, it's so easy. No, it's not. It's actually really hard. This takes time. You need to be consistent. If you're not consistent, you're probably not going to make any money, and you're not going to be successful. You won't be successful with your affiliate marketing business. So yeah, it takes a lot of time, and you need to be consistent, and you need to be consistent, and you need to be consistent, and you got to learn things, and you also need to learn about affiliate marketing. Learn a lot, and just educate yourself. So yeah, it's something that takes time and it's not easy. Definitely on 100%. All right. So I really hope you found this tutorial valuable. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave your questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Now, when you use when you edit your videos, you can head over to Clickbank, and here click on affiliate link. That's really important. From here you can grab all the videos, all the tools you need. So here we can grab some images for landing page, Facebook text only landing page, free plans download edit page, free direct order. So we can see which one is the best to add in our video. Let's say we can add this one, and we can just screenshot this portion. So you can also see this one here, or which one we can use in our video, because it's very important to actually add this at the end or even on our video, this call to action, so you let people know that you have a product. So yeah, that's really important. All right. And now free plans download page. We see here this one and this one. Just look for one that's good for this one I use, and you can add this one in your video. You can just screenshot now. If you are on Windows, you can press Windows logo on your keyboard plus Shift plus S, and you can screenshot, and you can just add this to your video. And here you can add this one.